Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Stealthily Fishing. So today I got a pretty cool little product for you guys here. This is made by Built Right Industries, and what I got in here is a latch for your 2015 through 2021 F-150, your Ford F-150. And so this is a latch for the back seat on the driver's side to let the actual back down. And I'll go out to the truck in a second and show you guys how to install this and how to open it and everything, so you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I know for sure this works with the 2015 through 2021 F-150s. It should also work with the F-250s and F-350s that are the same model. My dad has a 2021 F-150 and this works in his as well. Future models, I don't know. When I show you the latch here in a few minutes, you can look and see if your truck has the same latch in the future, and if it does, then this should work. But so let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So it's a pretty nice package, you know, just opens up like this, and there it is. This is it right here, and then they give you a little thank you card with some information about them, and it also gives you a sticker, so that's pretty cool, and it's a really cool box, you know. Thank you for supporting small businesses. That's awesome. But here is the actual latch itself. So this is the bracket, and then this is the pull handle. It looks just like a factory pull handle, you know, like a factory latch. So that's awesome. I mean, it looks like it's very well made, you know. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So let's go ahead and get it installed in the truck, and I'll show you guys how it works. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like with the seat down, as you can see. So this right here is the latch that I was telling you guys about, and if you've never opened it before, it's actually really tricky to get open. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do it really quick before, like, how the latch works, before I actually put the seat back up and then show you how to open it. Just because it's kind of hard to explain without actually seeing it first. So as you can see right here, there's this little metal thing right here, and I actually put a hole in mine because I made a makeshift strap earlier, but that hole right there does not come in it, so yours should not have a hole. That's I did that on my own, so if you don't see a hole, don't worry about it. But anyway, that right there is what you're gonna end up pulling, and you're gonna have to pull it up, alright, this little metal piece, and then that's gonna activate the latch and let you pull the seat down. But there's a few more steps to it. I just wanted to show you guys that right there because it was kind of hard to explain without seeing it first. But now I'm gonna put the seat back up and show you guys the whole process on how to open it the first time, since we don't have our latch on it yet, and then we'll get into installing the latch. Alright guys, so the first step to opening the seat back here is you're going to want to grab your latch down here at the bottom, and you're going to want to pull it to lift the bottom of your seat up. Okay, so you're going to lift it all the way up, and then you're probably going to want to get up in here, and once you lift the bottom of the seat up, the top is actually going to come back a little bit, and it's going to give you room to stick your hand down in there. So I'm going to stick my hand down in here and see if I can find the latch with my fingers. It's kind of hard to find. Alright, found it. Okay, so now you just have to pull on it really hard and it'll click. It just clicked for me. And then you want to pull this back away from the latch so it's loose now. You can see that shaking. And then you're going to want to take this latch again and pull it, and it releases the whole thing down. And that's how you let the seat down. So now that we got it down, we're going to go ahead and start installing our latch to make this a lot easier. Alright, now, so to remove this so we can install our latch here, we're going to have to remove these two torque screws. They are T30s. So I'm going to go grab the bit for those real quick, and we're going to go ahead and remove those screws. Alright guys, so once you get your torque screws out, you're gonna wanna slide this whole thing this way, so it's going to be going forward. So I'm just going to slide it forward. This is the headrest up this way, so I'm sliding it up towards the top of the seat. It's just got a little, this thing right here just slides in this groove right here. So to get it out, you just push it forward and then it comes right out. Okay, so now you're going to want to set this to the side and grab your black bracket, your Built Right Industries bracket. And so the way this goes on is it's going to go on top of this, alright? So it's kind of confusing, so I'm going to try to show you how to do it real quick right here. Alright, so you want this end right here with where the loop is going to go for your strap. You want it to go towards this flat side right here on this bracket. So the part that goes towards the headrest, so the top of the seat. So you want this part right here to go like this and go up towards the headrest. So there's this little groove right here. You can see this little groove right here. This is actually gonna go like right here. Let me see if I can show you this a little better. So there's a hole right here, and so I'm gonna see if I can slide this in and show you. So this goes on top of the main plate right here, but then this groove is gonna go around the wall like that. I don't know if that made sense explaining it, but as you can see, the black plate is on top of your main factory latch right here, but then we're on the outside when it comes to here. So that groove is going around like this wall basically on the factory latch. And so that's how you get it set up right there, okay? And so then you're going to want to take your strap and you're going to want to go ahead and put it on. And I guess you actually could have put the strap on before you put it on your thing, but so you just slide it back a little bit, and you want the spot where the gear is right here. You can see the strap has a little gear on the one side and not on the other. You want the gear to face out towards the passenger side of the truck, and then you're just gonna slide this little metal piece right here that you pull to open the latch. You're gonna slide it in this bigger part of the hole and then pull it into that smaller part, and it's gonna get tight in there. And then you're gonna want to slide your bracket back on all the way. And so basically what your bracket's gonna do is, you can kind of see this part right here is gonna keep your plastic piece from sliding off that latch. So there's no way this is gonna come off, basically. So now you got it assembled, so you're just gonna put it back on your seat and line it up with your holes, and you're just gonna put your 2 screws back in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my 2 T30 torch screws back in here. You just gotta make sure you get the holes lined up good. That's probably the trickiest part out of all this, is getting the holes lined up. And then once we get these in there, we're pretty much gonna be done. So then, once you get it installed, don't forget to put your strap through the loop right here. Let me see if I can show you that real quick. Put your strap through the loop on your bracket, and that's pretty much it. So let's just give this thing a test run and see how it works. Alright, so we've got our strap installed. So now I've learned that you really have to shut this thing hard to get it to latch. So you really gotta slam the seat shut, like I'm about to show you. You wanna really slam it, and it's locked into place, and it is shut. Now to let the seat down, you can see your latch, or your strap right there for your latch. If it'll focus. There we go. So there's your strap. And so there's 2 ways you can let the back down. Obviously you can just pull your strap like this, but the only thing about that is, so basically we skipped the step where we're letting the bottom up, you know, but if you'll look, this right here has dropped down. So you won't be able to shut it unless you move this black bar right here all the way back up to this blue mark. And so then, as you can see, I can shut it and it's shut. But if I do that same thing again and I pull it open, see how it's dropped? Now, if I try to shut it with that dropped, it's not gonna shut. See, no matter how many times I try to shut it, it's not gonna latch. So, you can do it like that and just move that little bar up every time you go to latch it. Or, what you can do, see it's latched now because I moved that bar up. If you do like we did earlier and you let your bottom up all the way and then grab your latch here and pull it down, the bar stays at the top. So that's like if you get this installed and you can't get your seat to shut, that's why it most likely is this bar is probably dropping. But you can either just pick it back up, or you can do like I just did and you can open this right here and then grab your strap back here, pull it, and it'll stay up if you do it that way. So yeah, that's how you install the latch. I think it's amazing because I mean there is quite a bit of storage back here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and leave me a comment down in the comment section telling me how you liked the video and if you have any questions about it. And also be sure to subscribe so you can see all the rest of the videos, all the rest of my videos on my truck. This is my truck right here. But also you guys go check out Built Right Industries. They're a small company that makes great products, and I'm very happy with the products I've purchased from them so far. And thanks guys for watching. I'll catch y'all next time.